Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Azure Administrator role AZ-104. You can download the complete list of Azure-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Azure Administrator role is: how do you monitor and troubleshoot Azure resources? Your answer should be: Azure provides various monitoring and troubleshooting tools, including Azure Monitor, Azure Log Analytics, Azure Application Insights, Azure Network Watcher, Azure Diagnostics, and Azure Resource Health. These tools help monitor resource performance, detect issues, troubleshoot problems, and optimize resource utilization. Our next interview question is: what is Azure Active Directory B2B, that is Azure AD B2B, and how does it enable collaboration with external users? Your answer should be: Azure Active Directory B2B is a feature of Azure AD that allows organizations to collaborate securely with external users such as partners, vendors, or customers by providing them with access to resources and applications using their own credentials from their respective identity providers. Our next interview question is: explain Azure policy and its role in enforcing governance and compliance in Azure. Your answer should be: Azure policy is a service in Azure that allows organizations to create, assign, and enforce policies to ensure compliance with corporate standards and regulatory requirements. Azure Policy enables governance by enforcing rules and conditions on Azure resources and configurations, helping maintain consistency, security, and compliance across the Azure environment. Our next interview question is: what are Azure storage options and when would you use each one? Your answer should be: Azure offers various storage options, including Azure Blob Storage for unstructured data such as documents, images, and videos, Azure File Storage for file shares that can be accessed via the SMB protocol, Azure Queue Storage for asynchronous messaging between components, and Azure Table Storage for structured NoSQL data. The choice of storage option depends on factors such as data type, access patterns, scalability, and cost considerations. Our next interview question is: how do you deploy and manage Azure resources using infrastructure as code IAC? Your answer should be: infrastructure as code IAC is the practice of managing and provisioning infrastructure using machine readable definition files rather than manual configuration. In Azure, you can use tools such as Azure Resource Manager, templates, JSON files describing Azure resources and their configurations, Azure CLI, that is command line interface, Azure PowerShell, or third-party tools like Terraform to automate the deployment and management of Azure resources. Our next interview question is: what is Azure DevOps and how can it be used for continuous integration and continuous deployment CI/CD? Your answer should be: Azure DevOps is a suite of cloud-based services provided by Microsoft for software development and collaboration. It includes services for version control, that is Azure Repos, build and release management, that is Azure Pipelines, agile planning and tracking, that is Azure Boards, and testing, that is Azure Test Plans. Azure Pipelines can be used for setting up CI/CD pipelines to automate the build, test, and deployment processes of applications and services on Azure. If you are preparing for any Azure-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.